Hello, Rising Giant. I am Agi Emmanuel, the resident pastor of Living Faith Church Garden of Faith, Banawa, Kaduna. I am filled with excitement to extend to you the personal invitation to the annual Youth Alive Convention 2023, Breaking New Ground. AYAC 2023 promises to be an extraordinary event brimming with impactful work sessions, engaging workshops, and boundless opportunities for spiritual growth. Together, we will embark on a journey to break new ground and uncover the treasures and greatness that lies within us. As we gather in this divine atmosphere of praise and worship, our hearts will be kindled with passion and our spirits will ascend new heights. This convention is not just a gathering, but an experience of divine encounters that have the potential of transforming our lives like it did my life some years ago. I found a treasure of excellence and it has impacted greatly my life and ministry till date. Friends, AYAC is not just a gathering, it's a mountaintop experience that leaves an indelible mark on our lives. I can't wait to see how God will move in each one of us during AYAC 2023. So please save the dates, 22nd to 26th August 2023 on your calendar. See you there. God bless you. AYAC 2023, Breaking New Ground. Breaking New Ground, AYAC 2023. Bye-bye.